There's nothing out there that can be done. Right now we turn up the party, turn up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
If you want to see how I created this organizer, keep watching.
So now I'm on my way to the kitchen. This house is a house full of cereal lovers, which is good for me.
What you're gonna need is some white wrapping paper, some glue, tape, any kind of marker, doesn't matter, and some cereal boxes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is line up all the cereal boxes, and what you want to do is cut them all the same height. So you use the shortest one and then you line up and you cut all of them. I'm just using a piece of paper that I had to line it up. Now I'm just drawing a straight line across so that I can cut it. So I'll just take a scissors and I'll just cut along that line. Now what you want to do is cut a diagonal line. I'm using a piece of the cardboard that I already cut to draw my straight line. What you want to do is do this on both sides and to all of the boxes. So now we take the white wrapping paper and we just wipe all of them. Now you can leave it like this, it's optional, but I use the white wrapping paper as a canvas kind of. And then what you want to do is get the colors of your choice. I'm using black and white because that goes with the theme of my room. And what I'm gonna do right now is put some black paint on a piece of paper, just a scrap paper that I had. And I'm gonna take some napkin and just scrunch it up to have the dabbing effect. There's no specific way how to do this. You just go with it and you have fun. If you have a pattern in mind, you can always Google it on how to do that particular pattern. But I was trying to create kind of the marble look. So I'm just mixing the black and the white to get bits of gray, black and white within the design. Now for the front, I realized that maybe if I did a bit of a swoop, that it'll get more of the effect that I wanted. So right now I'm just taking the black paint and I'm just swooping it. I hope that makes sense. I'm just swooping it across the paper and then I'll go in with some white to get those grays. Now, like I said before, you don't have to do it like this. This is just a way that I found it was just a bit easier and I got the design I want. But you don't have to do this design and you don't have to use these colors. It's all up to you. You can always wrap it with a wrapping paper that you already like so you don't have to paint. Now I'm going to put all of them together so that the design can flow from one to the other because I want them to be tied together. You just tweak it and touch it up until it's how you like it. Now I'm doing the side of the other one the same way I did the first one. Please guys, be super careful if you're doing this indoors. If you know you're a messy person, get some kind of cardboard or paper and put under it. So now I'm just gonna stick all of them together with some crazy glue that I had, and then I'll tape it to reinforce it because my Crazy glue is pretty old. To add some gold accents, I'm gonna use this glitter pen that I got from Poundland, and I'm just gonna add little bits of pieces of gold lines to accentuate. I think the word is accentuate the whole design. And just like that, you have a easy, cute DIY to have in your room. Keep yourself organized. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.